Hello people, how are you today? I hope you're all having an amazing day and you're ready to watch another review. This time I'm very excited since I'm reviewing a course, or let me say a MicroMasters program that I did last year, and I was very excited and I feel that I have learned a lot of things and I can have some knowledge that can apply to my job, which is really awesome. So today I'm reviewing from EDX the MicroMasters program called User Experience, Research and Design, and it's provided by the University of Michigan. So it says here, gain a solid foundation in UX research and design to help create products and advance your career. This course isn't free. It actually costs around $1,000, but you can take part of this course for free, and that's what I did. So I didn't pay for the course, and no, I have not the certification, but at least I have the knowledge, which for me is more important. So let's go through the first section, which is view courses. At first you have a short presentation about what is the MicroMasters program, and if you don't know what is the MicroMasters program, you can read this part here, but basically it says that they provide a course that has some sections, and this particular course have like 9 courses inside this program. So in this program you will learn a lot of things and is divided in sections. Each section usually has a different instructor, but all of them are under the University of Michigan. In the end, you can get a certification that it's like getting a master's degree, and a lot of jobs can actually evaluate it, and it's quite similar as having this master's degree. You can read more information in this program here, in this tab here, or by clicking the MicroMasters program. Let's get through this part here. It has an average length of 3 to 8 weeks per course, but also it has 9 courses, which means that you will have to devote 3 to 8 weeks and 9 times this part here. The effort is 3 to 5 hours per week and per course, but I have to say here that maybe in the first courses you won't have to devote all these hours, like you won't have to devote 3 to 5 hours per week. Maybe your exercises will be something like 1 hour, but as you go through this program and as you're learning more things, then you'll have to devote more hours, and sometimes 5 hours per week won't be enough. And I think that there are also some instructors that say the same thing, like the first courses don't need that much time, but the other courses and more towards in the end, you will need these hours for sure. The subject is computer science, social sciences and design. Personally, I was more into computer science and design, and that's why I took this course, or this MicroMaster. The institution is the University of Michigan. The language is English, and also the video transcripts are in English. I think that most of the instructors are English native speakers, or their English are perfectly fine, and you will have no problem in understanding them. The price, once again, currently is something less than $1,000, and maybe you can find some more information if you click on the MicroMaster programs that also have some extra information about how you can achieve this certification, and maybe with less money, maybe. So you have your view courses, you have your meet the instructors, and the MicroMaster program. This is the MicroMasters, and this is the curriculum, or this is the view courses. So if you view the courses here, you will see that you have 9 of them. It's Introduction to User Experience, Understanding User Needs, Principles of Designing for Humans, Evaluating Designs with Users, which is an amazing course, UX Research Surveys, UX Design from Concept to Wireframe, UX Research at Scale, Analytics and Online Experiments, UX Design from Wireframe to Prototype, and last but not least, UX Capstone. The Capstone is a big project, and it says use the skills and knowledge gained through user experience research and design MicroMasters program courses to design and conduct a complete UX project. So as you can understand here, you will definitely need to devote more than 5 hours per week in order to do this Capstone. As you progress through the courses, you will see that the exercises needs more from you. But this is a great thing, right? You are here because you want to learn. Let's get through the first section, which is Introduction to User Experience, and I've already opened it somewhere here. Well, Introduction to User Experience, it's self-paced and you can enroll. Maybe you can enroll right now, although it's self-paced, because it starts somewhere maybe in September or October. Here, yeah, it says that it starts on October 3rd. So every time you have this option to receive an email that will let you know when this course can start. Maybe it says 2017, but it's not updated. I think that this course starts every year, so you'll have no problem to take it on 2018 or 2019 or even 20. But maybe it's quite outdated, but you won't have a problem at enrolling it, I can assure you for this one. So in this course, which is the first one, and as I said before, it's called Introduction to User Experience, you have the length, which is 5 weeks, and the effort, which is 2 to 4 hours per week. The price is $9 at a verified certificate for $99, and the institution is Michigan and all these kind of things. So in the About This Course section here, you will find more specific information about what are you going to learn. And let's see this part here that says learn about the skills needed for UX research and design. Understand how UX researchers discover and assesses user needs. Learn how to conduct a micro-usability test, understand how UX designers take an idea from a concept to a working prototype, and understand how to incorporate a user-centered focus into the design process. So I think that this description and the part of what you learn are into the point. Here is the instructor, which is Mark Newman, and I think that most of the courses are being instructed by the same instructor. Of course, there are a lot of instructors, as we saw down here. There are a lot of instructors, but the most of them will be instructed by Mark, and then some other by Eliza, or they combine, or these two instructors will be combined. And you will see the other instructors too, but maybe less. So here you have some information about how to get the certification. Again, I didn't take the certification. I don't think that it's necessary. If you have the knowledge, then maybe for some jobs at least you don't need the certification, or maybe again you can ask by your company to help you financially in order to get the certification if this is important for you and your company. By the end, you'll have some testimonials and some FAQ, which will help you to decide if this course is for you or what other students have to say about this course. I will click on the Understanding User Needs, and let's view this course also, which starts on the 11th of July. Okay, here we can see all the information about this course, and again we can see the instructor, which in this case is the Kentaro Toyama, and I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing this name wrong. Again, you have the certification, all information like money and financially and all these kind of things. You have your FAQ, and then you can enroll, and this time the price is free. Maybe you can add a verified certificate for $99, but it's free. So if you want it for free, you can go to audit this course, and from there you will be able to see all this curriculum. You start with earn a certificate, complete the course, or explore the course. But here is everything that you can see, and it's getting started. Welcome announcement, course syllabus, help us learn more about you. So this is a survey, a discussion to introduce yourself, where you basically go to a chat and you talk a little bit about yourself, and also you have the opportunity to learn about other students. So you basically write about yourself. In lesson 1, you have the introduction and qualitative research overview. You have content, quiz, student activities, peer review, one self-check, and discussion. So you have, most of the times you'll have a structure like this. So at first you'll have some videos, then you're going to have some quizzes, then you're going to have your exercises. By the end that you do your exercises, you will have to evaluate your other students' exercises, and then you'll have the peer review and some discussion. So again, the discussion will be going into a chat and talk a little bit about what you did, what you like in other people's exercises, and what you didn't. In the end, that you'll have your conclusion. Pretty much it's the same structure with the content, the quiz, some activities, and some discussions, feedback, and of course the attributions. So EDX is very good with professional instructors and feedback and attributions, which is something that in other courses and in other online platforms you will be able to find it. But here, because we talk about MicroMaster course, you will be able to find everything, like everything. And that's why here you have your discussion or a chat, you have your progress bar and attribution and credits, and of course some notes, which is something that is created by you and also the instructor. Some of the courses will have notes, some other courses won't have notes, but I'm pretty sure that you will find like everything you may need. So let's go to the courses and actually let's view a course, maybe the first one. Okay, so here you have the course, which is 1.1, Introduction to User Needs Assessment, and this is your instructor. You have your lecture and your transcript here, and you can download it, the video file, or you can download an SRT file or even a TXT file. You have your previous and next, which going to the previous video or next video. And always you have this learn about verified certificates, because okay, I get it, the people want to get some money. I don't think that this is a nice place to have this button, and as a UX designer or even a UI designer, I would never put this button right here. But anyway, I don't think that the instructor or the University of Michigan has anything to do with this. Yes, so all in all, it is a great course and I would advise you to take it. You don't have to pay a lot of money, you can just get the knowledge. And if you have any question about this course, because I have taken it, it's a big one, please let me know. I'll do my best to answer them. It is from beginners to advanced one, and I will also leave in the description box the link to go to this course. Thank you very much for watching. Have an amazing day. Please share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.